It's about the freedom of choice. Everybody can make their own role in their own way.
As a 19-year-old, as a college intern, I was very nervous for my first job in New York at a legitimate tech company. And I was just super impressed with the culture there, specifically around how inclusive everyone was. Everyone was so welcoming. And they really gave me an opportunity to shine, presented me with a wide array of challenges, different teams I could work with, and just really let me grow at a rate much faster than I ever thought possible.
Do you know the movie Yes Man, where Jim Carrey has to say yes to everything? I feel like at Pipedrive we have a yes culture. Whatever you're asking, most likely you are being told yes. And that's something you don't get elsewhere. And we don't take it for granted, we don't abuse it, we really appreciate it. And that works out for all of us. And saying yes leads to good things. So say yes, 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 yes.
And in Pipedrive, we make culture as important as business strategy. We revisit, we discuss it together because we recognize everyone's role in shaping it. And this is what culture is all about for me. It's built for us, by us, and for them.
That everyone in the organisation, 700 plus people across international offices, are passionate about what we do and have your back when you're doing it. You're going to be working on some interesting things with some fantastic people, and everybody here shares the same excitement for what we do. It's a great place to be.